Texas Instruments is excited to unveil our second state-of-the-art assembly and test factory in Malacca, Malaysia. With initial production now underway, this new factory has over 900,000 square feet of manufacturing space and connects to our existing site and will have 6 times the capacity to transform processed wafers to finished chips in Malacca, Malaysia. Every year, this site will use advanced automation to assemble and test billions of analog and embedded processing chips that are vital for nearly every type of electronic system, from vehicles to smartphones to data centers. These chips will make electronics smaller, more efficient, more reliable, and more affordable. We have been growing alongside Malaysia for more than 50 years and couldn't be more excited to continue that journey as we build the next era of semiconductor manufacturing to support our customers' growth for decades to come.